Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to fix chess app keeps disconnecting issue. If you're experiencing frequent disconnects while playing your favorite chess app, don't worry. In this video, we are gonna go over the common reasons why your app keeps disconnecting and provide easy fixes to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted game. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you make sure of that, the next thing to do is to restart your chess app. Force close your chess application by dragging upward from the bottom of your screen and bringing up the app switcher. Now push off the app cards upward and release. This will force close your chess application. Now open up the chess app once again, and this might be able to help you fix your issue. If the problem still persists, try updating the app to the latest version. Close off the application just like that and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in chess. Look for the Chess Play and Learn Online this application over here and check if there is an update button available. If you see the update button, simply tap on it to download the latest version of chess. After it is downloaded, tap the open button to open up chess again, and this time you may be able to fix your issue. If none of these solutions helped you, the next thing you want to do is to simply delete the chess application from your mobile device and reinstall it again from your Google Play Store or App Store. By following these steps, you should be able to fix disconnection issues on your chess app and enjoy smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. If this tutorial was helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tech and gaming fixes. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.